Right, mahwera se sezvamurikuona apa mangwanani. As you can see, ndiri muMasvingo town and I'm on my way to the VID kuti ndinotora chitambi changu tichipedza zvatanga takatanga nhaika. As you can see, ndiri kufamba ndiri muno muMasvingo zvangu, ndiri kunanga kudriving school yangu iyo yandaita nayo inonzi one time driving school kuti ndichienda kuVID. But as you can see, hapana zvandakakwanisa kuita kana sina kudya. Ndakananga imo mubhekasini mandajaira kupinda zuva nezuva ndichitenga chikafu. As you can see, ndiri muno mudhorobha reMasvingo, pakati paro kwecho chiko icho Zimbabwe kwati koti yakaita sei. Okay guys, as you can see, let's go tipinde muno mubhekasini tinoona zvakamira sei. As you can see, I ordered myself a croissant, ndichibva ndatora zvakare machips ane marussian mambiri, zvakanakisa nekofi yacho sezvo anga ari mangwanani kuchitonhora. Taida kuti timbodzisa mapapu nhaika, timbodzisa zvitaka mudumbu zvimbonakirwa zvimboita seko. As you can see, since ndandine nzara ndinopedzera kudya zuro wacho ndirimo makare muMasvingo. So guys, as you can see, ndaisa voice over nekuti muMasvingo mamune noise isingaiti and mamuchiridzwa music. So yeah, apa pandatotora hangu ndatenga mazai nemarussians nemachips ndakutodya zvangu. Guys, I don't know why the food was not tasting nice because like my chips anga sonyasoiva. But anyways guys, now let's go and see what's popping. Ndapedza kumwa hangu tea yangu ndakuchifamba ndakananga kudriving school kuya kuti ndichinotora mota yaya man. Ndanotora mota yaya, I have to do one lesson first, then ndinobhuka ndozera last lesson, then ndichinopinda. Yo guys, I was so nervous, like I was so scared. Ndaita nonzi kutya because yo ndaita kunge zifisa nambo driver before, but yo kutoziva babo ndiri pro driver ziwindi pamushikashika. Anyways guys, let's see the whole process. Chikuradza kuti ndinotora sei license, zvinofamba sei, zvinoitwa sei. Ipapa after doing that, I'm going to go to VID also and videorize vamwe vari kupinda maiziya ndichikuradzei zvikufamba sei since singazokwanisa inini kuita sei kubata camera. But anyways, now I'm on my way. Ndakananga ku one time driving school irimo makare muMasvingo imomo. Ndonga ndakunanga ku one time driving school ndikutofamba ndichitaura apa kuti yo guys, please watch my ads, blah 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 blah, this and that. As you can see guys, the sun was sunning and I was glowing. Ndandiripa mvura nasiri glow. But anyways guys, thank you for your love and support. Ndinokudisa guys, don't skip the ads, lambe mchisupport, subscribe.
Amana muita sei panapa. Kasangana mukomo wangu pa driving school panapa. Na ndapuwa mari yekutenga dzinga mana. Meta bungu bongo. Meta bungu bongo. Ava mukoma wangu atazve driving ava.
Wari munhu anopedza kuMasvingo one time.
Ngotasa mbona ari kupindo zvinopira sei. As you can see guys, I was so excited. Ndaita kufara ndapedza test yangu mana. Miremon is instructor, Miremon iro akaona zidhara rakutungamira mberi kuti ere shuru zoti aiwa mbapedze masports. Guys, I don't kutya madrama. I nailed it. Kwese 3.5 I nailed it. You started angosvika nekumira nekuti ngosimuka ndakaenda.
This driving school yanzi one time driving school. Please make sure you check it out in Masvingo, Las Vegas. So guys, I got the good news. License baby. As you can see guys, amanaga. Like I'm so super excited guys. Like yo, finally after a long struggle, man. Urukusege was not license. Na Urukusege was not license. Amanaga. I wanna lie, mana. Amanaga.
So man, I seen it rapo. I can show you could bake. No so nama details sang, but I seen rapo man. Dirori. Yo, I'm so happy man. Diri kufara. Ino zamana. Let's see what's popping. What's happening. Maize, stay tuned.
So guys, it's now at night and still in Las Vegas. Masvingo. I think that's the last night in Masvingo. So now we're gonna go and look for some food to eat at night. Maybe sadza. First wangu asikubatika na ndoda ndiperekedza ndikusa sadza and asikuwanika pa sport. So I'm just gonna go there by myself. And sikukuziya kuno kwacho. So nchazama kutsvaga ndekupi. And then nebantu kufambira guys. Nai. Sinozodawo here muna nelicense kufambira vanhu vakadai so. Guys, kuzvivheneka sitozomboona. Anyways guys, stay tuned. Let me see ndokwanisa kumunokera padhembawe. And then I'll look for pub, and then tomorrow in the morning I'll go back to Harare. So make sure I stay tuned and wait for tomorrow. Thank you. So remember me to take away. So guys, as you can see in Remukoto, I just posted the rango. Ndakutoziva nzvimbo dzemasvingo munomu. Ndakazorora masvingo musazonditi mukuzviona ka. Oh. As you can see. Oh, we're in the streets of Las Vegas. No Google Maps, no chi. Just see. Ndega kuziya kwandiri kuenda nekwandiri kubva. Ndakamasta nzvimbo ingana mazogara. Ndakuziya nzvimbo. So guys, ndosadzara rache. Chiko chute ngenunzi. Anyways, that's the pub. That's the water. That's not the water Zambia. So guys, this is the last day in Las Vegas. Mangwana, that's the last day. So mangwana nchango mugoma around 8-9. Then ndoenda kumba. Sana muzogera kumba kuwashiba. Pesa panoshaya mashumo. So just wait for tomorrow. I love you guys. Thank you for your love and support. Ndodai mese nawo geni mbochikasadze. Nafara kurora muzvona. But anyways. Peace out. Good morning guys. So yeah, the job is done here in Las Vegas, here in Masvingo. Now let's prepare to go back home to Harare, you understand? It's around 10 now and I'm preparing to go back home. I don't want to go back home late today because I always go back home late when I'm coming from Masvingo. So takafambira zvakapera, job done. Now let's go back to Harare, you understand? So yeah, get ready with me and I'm not gonna show you zvakawanda because I'm in a rush and I'm hungry, you understand? So yeah, make sure stay tuned. Okay, so another Zola. New teas is always. So I want to wear a new shirt, but I don't feel like wearing it. I want to repeat another fake bro. You understand? Well, this one is too short. Yeah. But anyways, you know the drill, you know the vibe. Hey. New stuff. Yeah. So you guys now the pizza together. And yeah, we're preparing to hit Harare, you understand? So yeah, let me pack my bags and I don't have a lot of stuff. I just have a few stuff. Tripod, you understand? So get ready. We're eating Harare in 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see, just done bedding the bed. I left the room looking nice. You understand? So yeah, now let's hit Harare. As you can see, here's my monarch. And here's the outfit of the day. This shirt, new socks is always. You understand? And new tees. I just want to thank my friends just for if you want to come to take your lessons in Masvingo, if you want to go to Great Zimbabwe, here's a cheap accommodation for you. You'll be staying alone, very poor, everything. The bath is there. Just hit up face on my screen. Also help me thanking him for offering me accommodation the whole week. I've been living here for free. I was supposed to pay. Last time I came, I was paying $25 per night. So I stayed for about 4 days. I paid 100. And this whole week I was supposed to pay maybe 150 or something. But yeah, I stayed here for free. I just want to thank him for offering me a very nice comfortable bed and a very nice cozy place. So yeah, let's go to Harare.
Okay. So man, I'm facing on Sangane town. He is currently in CBD right now. So I don't know more moment. Then I will hand over his keys. You understand? So as you can see. Let's get it. I love my YouTubers. Where is it? One being up Las Vegas. Akamuna kaunga ni license rangu. License roda kuchingizwa panodziya. Pakanaka. Yes, love my YouTubers. Sama ndasangana nemurume woma Airbnbs anotozikanwa masvingo yese.
Yembate.
Yeah. Yembate. Alezo ngeti mbono tata kuti siyangaita zvoda kutenza kupisa kuti asese.
Shamari yone.
Rekatione. Rekatione zvakabira sei? Yara sei? Sare flag.
Iri bogo no ujo.
Sama makeka. So mana ikana bana just fatso.
What a go.
Oyo,
Blessed.
one Rastaman Las Vegas. So I'm going to Vegas and then Trongo no greba one or two things. That one in Zara, and then after that, we hit the road. We check out. Hey, you checking out in Las Vegas, you understand? So mana Taguro man. Which money?
What is my chips shamari? Do you think you got it?
Apa shooting is masata sasa.
Yeah, shamari. Ah, you know that
Las Vegas. Vegas you can do better. Vegas you can do better. Those are cheaper than that. So mana takuja and then after that we'll see what we can do. So Samana finally back to Harare.
Iye wakabata mudhiraivhi wacho ngachirega kufamba nenzeve dzake ngaafambe nenzeve dzenyu. Amen. Naita basa baba.
So guys, as you can see, ndasvikira ku vanonzi Vaboka. So now we finna go and take transport and back then. So make sure you stay tuned. So man, shika baden. After 1 week. Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another Zola. The following day, after leaving Masvingo, I was really tired. Like you know, the process was so stressing and like I was so exhausted because for the whole week I was not like getting enough time to rest. You understand? So anyways, thank you guys for watching the video to the end. If it's the first time here, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So just to avoid being asked a lot of questions and a lot of silly questions, ndaku explain that so ucharo tumwe mwana share in comment section. Utanga ndifunza futhi zisemzi and explain amana please amana please vanhu ngatidzize kuona mavideo zichipedza to avoid asking a lot of questions. You understand? Anyways guys, to those already lessons, let me just say, can you go now drive? Budget from 350 upwards. Can you go now drive again? And then kuna aska to go to driver or roti to driver auto do manual blah 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 blah. But 400 to 450 yako. And dog to license repair. Those are nango tawarezo. And kana mida number the munhu nchasa mu comment section. Ndabodzisa futi pa video hapo. If you watch the video, go and check out the number zao. And yeah, that was the process of taking lessons. Anyways guys, I think you all wondering why to try lessons. I don't think I'm motor. I don't understand. Sana ne mari motor.
but yeah, mwari pakachadao ipapo chatenga mota. Chadzoka, mukusana chatenga mota. Chadzoka about this video and check it again, guys. Because I teach our relation here, but anyways, basically, anyways, the main topic they good guys, I'm thinking of doing in life, like lifestyle content they go every day. I would like to bit of kind unique, you understand? The rest of unique content, you understand? Like so they important to Joseph spend the day with me as a Uber driver. Go and check out that video. So that don't better in drive. I'm thinking of doing in drive, you understand? So that I'll balance content and in drive as well. You don't know the life of your solo, but then it's so depressing. Depression and that we take you have to think South Africa again. Because the life of Moscow, but then doing this and that is no bore. Same depression now in UK, all the people are abroad. Life of solo, but Jerusalem like me as a content creator. Can I still shoot and double pattern? To screen pattern, I'm going to sang or watching my movies or phone pango, my videos, YouTube videos, or editing. That life is so depressing, bruh. So I want to look for something else which I'm really interested in doing. Also, content. So yeah, if I'm doing in drive overs, I'll be meeting you guys and we'll be vlogging together. That's the kind of praise the vlog. And guys, the love and support that I'm getting from you is massive. Like it's super crazy. Therefore, go back on Masvingo and Dombo. Therefore, go on 2 in Harare on this. But I don't know if I have to say Masvingo got one that I don't sang no Harare. There's a pizza I want to sing on the moon. I'm not going to see what I'm not saying. I'm going to see and poor. I'm not going to see how did you have to on the place. Bra, Dingoro Muna, go find on the moon, go back going and never explain. I don't do nothing but this. Do not tell an hour go. Pray in the body. They one boy. Yes, and I just want to thank also Commander Sangano Parent driving squad. He showed some love, bro. Like he was driving his car, but no pack. And then I hugged to his door. I don't know, Maurice. I'm just saying, thank you. Keep on supporting. I think Kanabana is not going to cancel. At least I saw to Kunzo. Do not try to cross the road to talk Maurice. I'm going to say, thank you so much for supporting me. And tell me, you ask about you, but you want to create a content and it is also both like, I'm not even famous, bro. You understand? So, guys, Musashi go to our pictures in the Magandona. Nango une kambudzi kako kasingatora tunotora nefoni yangu ndotokusendera ku WhatsApp, you understand? Guys, I thank you for your love and support. Keep on supporting. And also, if there's someone anemota yakanaka in drive who is willing to give me chukesha mari yako yakanaka, hit me up kwa namba zangu +2 aichikendizinyora okay. Ndo yomwe main reason vanhu nema car owners, I know kuti panapa agora ma car owners vakawanda ndevanhu vane mari dzavo kana vanhu vane mota dzavo dzaresa paindrive. Munoziva kune madhey wanangu andozoti indrive uber ndiro master, ndakashimaster chigame ndorova. Please hit me up mundipewo mota iyoyo tiendese kubasa motiwo tiite mari, understand? Anyways, I beg guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If you've enjoyed the vlog, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content, understand? And yeah, road to 11k. As you can see, we're almost 10.5. I'm sure by July I'm 11k. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you so much, guys. Your love and support is amazing.